Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to advertise on Telegram ads, right? So to do this, first of all you have to just go to Google and search here Telegram ads, and once you do this you will get this here ads.telegram.org. So this is official platform to put any ads on Telegram platform, right? So once we here click on login to start advertising, so you have to add your number here. And once you are logged in into your account, it will ask you to add all your details here, right? And of course you have to pay some kind of money to put ads on Telegram. So for example, this is here an example of Burger King. For example, here is the ad text, whatever you want to put here. Then this is the official link which you can promote your your server or your website something. And here on the right side you can see that what kind of a product you want to advertise. Now this is a CPM which is on shown here, right? It will be in cryptocurrency, right? And this is only one way to advertise on Telegram. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.